Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WhatsApp Business app, set up business messaging step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have the WhatsApp Business app downloaded and installed on your device. Open the WhatsApp Business app on your smartphone. Tap on Agree and continue to accept the terms and conditions. Next, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Choose your country code from the drop-down list. Then, type in your business phone number. Tap on Next to proceed. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the verification code in the provided field. If you don't receive the code, tap on Resend Code after a short wait. Once your number is verified, you will have the option to import your business profile. You can choose to set up your profile manually by tapping Skip. Next, enter your business name, which will be displayed to your customers. Select your business category from the available options. You may also add your business profile photo, which helps identify your brand. Tap Next to proceed with the setup. Now, you can create a customized business message that customers will receive when they contact you. Enter your away message, greeting message, or quick replies as desired. Once finished, tap Save to keep your settings. Finally, allow WhatsApp to access your contacts if prompted. Your WhatsApp business account is now set up and ready for messaging. You're all set to connect with your customers using the WhatsApp Business app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.